Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse. How do you share it? So here to this video, I'll be teaching you how to use your SHAREit. To share it, so there's a lot of ways. As you see right now, we can do send files right here, but as you can see files right here, and we have the receive button right here for whoever who will receive our files here. And we can also check on our files right here by just clicking on files right there. Right there, and here not only that, and SHAREit can do much more. You can just go to discover. So here at discover, it's like you're doing we're gonna sorry for those ads. Yes, there we go, we can see all this popular stuff right of now, news stuff right here, and we can choose right here we can choose Facebook right there. We can connect it and we can share it, copy link, and there's something like that. There you go. So now we're not gonna log in with our Facebook, so we're just gonna close that right there. I'm gonna go back, and here we have some smart tools we can use to help us much more enhance our use in here at SHAREit. There you go. So see right here, data calculator, BMI calculator, salary calculator, and pregnancy care, and we have so much more that we can use here. Smart tool will help us much more use our SHAREit much more, because as you see we can merge PDF, split PDF, and PDF to Word. So there's a lot of things that we can do here. Also we have games right here that you can play if you're bored. There you can play the SHAREit. So yeah, here when you click on me, there are the other settings that you can change. For example, if you want to change your avatar or name, you can change it right here. And here the download center right here, if you want to see the download center, just click on download center right there. So yeah, there you go guys, that's how you do it, and that's how you use your SHAREit. Hope you guys like the video, enjoy it. If you have any questions, type in the comment section below. Hope to answer you guys, and thank you guys. If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.